Welcome to Biology Basics. Today we're exploring how biology isn't just something you study in textbooks. It's all around you, influencing every moment of your day. From the food you eat for breakfast to the medicine you take when you're sick, biology shapes your daily world in countless ways. Let's discover the fascinating connections between biological science and your everyday experiences. Biology impacts four major areas of your daily life. First, food and nutrition, which involves how your body processes what you eat. Second, medicine and health, encompassing everything from treatments to prevention. Third, the environment around you, including the air you breathe and ecosystems you interact with. And fourth, technology, where biological principles are applied to create innovative solutions. Each of these areas demonstrates how deeply biology is woven into the fabric of modern life. Let's start with something you do every day: eating. When you consume food, your digestive system uses special proteins called enzymes to break it down into smaller molecules your body can absorb. Your gut is home to trillions of beneficial bacteria that help digest food and protect against harmful microbes. The vitamins and minerals in your food fuel cellular processes that keep you alive and healthy. Through metabolism, your body converts food into energy, powering everything from thinking to running. This is biology in action at every meal. Biology plays a crucial role in keeping you healthy. Antibiotics are medicines that fight bacterial infections by targeting specific features of bacterial cells. Vaccines work by training your immune system to recognize and fight diseases before they make you sick. DNA testing can reveal your genetic predisposition to certain health conditions, allowing for early intervention. Stem cells, which have the ability to develop into different cell types, are opening new possibilities in regenerative medicine to repair damaged tissues and organs. Your body constantly interacts with the environment through biological processes. When you breathe, your lungs exchange oxygen, which your cells need, for carbon dioxide, which is a waste product. Your skin acts as a protective barrier against pathogens like bacteria and viruses and shields you from harmful ultraviolet rays from the sun. Your body maintains a constant internal temperature of 37 degrees Celsius through temperature regulation. Circadian rhythms, your internal biological clock, control your sleep-wake cycle and influence when you feel alert or tired. Plants are essential to your daily existence in ways you might not realize. Through photosynthesis, plants convert sunlight into chemical energy while producing oxygen as a byproduct. This oxygen is what you breathe to stay alive. The cotton in your clothes and the wood in your furniture come from plant cells with specialized structures. The herbs and spices that flavor your food are actually defense compounds plants produce to protect themselves from predators. Many modern medicines, including aspirin and certain cancer treatments, originate from compounds first discovered in plants. Tiny microorganisms that you cannot see with the naked eye play enormous roles in your daily life. Yeast, a single-celled fungus, helps bread rise by producing carbon dioxide gas, and it ferments sugars to create beer and wine. Bacteria are essential for making yogurt and cheese through fermentation processes. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that support your digestive health and immune system. In nature, microbes decompose dead organic matter and recycle nutrients back into ecosystems, making life on Earth sustainable. Your DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the instruction manual that determines your physical traits like eye color, height, and hair texture. Genes, which are segments of DNA, also influence your susceptibility to certain diseases. Genetic testing services can reveal information about your ancestry and potential health risks by analyzing your DNA. CRISPR, which stands for Clustered Regularly Interspaced Short Palindromic Repeats, is a revolutionary gene editing technology that allows scientists to precisely modify DNA sequences, opening possibilities for treating genetic disorders. Biotechnology uses biological systems to develop practical applications. Insulin, a hormone needed by people with diabetes, is now produced through genetic engineering by inserting human insulin genes into bacteria. Biofuels derived from algae and plant materials offer renewable energy alternatives to fossil fuels. Scientists are developing biodegradable plastics from microorganisms that break down naturally, reducing environmental pollution. Even your laundry detergent contains enzymes that break down protein-based stains like blood and grass, making cleaning more effective. As you can see, biology truly is everywhere in your daily life. Understanding these biological principles helps you make informed decisions about your health, from choosing nutritious foods to understanding how medications work. It helps you appreciate the food you eat and where it comes from, and it deepens your awareness of environmental issues and sustainability. Biology isn't just a subject in school. It's the science of life itself, constantly at work all around you and inside you. Thank you for joining us on this journey through biology in everyday life.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.